Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. Looking at heavy drawdown, dude. This thing completely went down like crazy. Currently, I'm only up about 20K. I was up yesterday at peak. I don't remember. I think like 50K, 60K. I think I was up like 50, 60K. I actually bought more calls today, and I'm debating on whether to actually purchase another, 35, 30K worth of RKT. Because I do think it's going to go back up more than likely. I think it's going to keep running before March 9th when the special dividend is actually announced. I do think we might be creating a small floor here. I'm a little scared because we actually hit lower lows under the previous support. So little scared that we might actually drop all the way back down to 23, 24 bucks. If we do drop back down to like $24, 100%, I'm buying in like another $30,000 worth of shares, or another $30,000 worth of RKT, right? But as of right now, still holding, not selling, not planning on selling anytime soon, not selling anything. I might take partial, like I told you guys before. If we do hit $44, I might take partial profit, but until we hit that mark, I don't think I'm actually gonna take any profit until then. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.